Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Exmo to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between platforms for better security, trading, or diversification, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular, but transferring it requires attention to detail to avoid any hiccups like network mismatches or fees. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Uphold, and that you have a sufficient balance of USDT in your Exmo wallet. Also, double-check the network compatibility. USDT can be on networks like Tron, ERC20, or BEP20, so ensure Uphold supports the same one to prevent any loss of funds. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account and navigate to the Wallets, or Balance, section. Find your USDT balance and click on the Withdrawal option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Then, choose the correct network. Let's say you're using Tron for this example, as it's often faster and cheaper. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any withdrawal fees. Step 3. Head over to your Uphold account. Go to the Deposit section, select USDT, and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure to note the exact network it's on, like Tron, to match what you selected in Exmo. Step 4. Back in Exmo, paste the Uphold wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything, the address, the amount, and the network, to avoid errors. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with any required two-factor authentication. After that, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and verify that your USDT has arrived in your wallet. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and be aware of any platform-specific fees or minimum limits. By 2025, crypto transfers are even more streamlined, but staying vigilant is key. There you have it. Transferring USDT from Exmo to Uphold is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.